केरळाचे जे कॉलेजीच्या भुरग्यांचो टूर हो गोंयान फिरपाक येयल्लो ते गोवा फिरपाक वयले थंयसून ते बागा सायडी खंय तरी हॉटेलान ते जेवपाक रावले आनी ते जेवल्या उपरांत तांकां कितें तरी पोटान तेंच्या उमळ कशी येयली कितें तरी जालें सस्पेक्ट फूड पॉयजनींग सादारण 16 सुमार भुरग्यांक ह्यो ज्यो इफेक्ट हो जाला तांकां हांगासर म्हापसा चेकिंगाक म्हापसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान हाडले.
The medical officer who has said that they are having some mild symptoms of indigestion and vomiting, where 16 of them are under observation and only 4 people have been administered basic saline. Whatever minor non-compliances are that we have communicated to them, which is a part of their day-to-day operations. But as a migration that they were supposed to do from a registration certificate to a license, which was pending. So on those grounds, since they have not done that migration, we have asked them to stop. In addition, there were other groups also that have consumed food here, and no complaints have been received from that group. But as an abundant precaution, we have taken samples of whatever food articles that were there, of raw materials that were there. We have also taken statements from all these people, which is a part of our investigation. So, and then some people could have allergies. So there are several factors that we need to take into consideration. I mean, and this has to be looked upon scientifically. We just can't, conclude with some here and there news.
स्टुडंटा खातीर स्वरूप शिरोडकर वांगडा हांव श्याम फडते म्हापशेच्यान.